had an early start. We started at Kingston Reserve again, a beautiful spot there last night instead of staying in a camper van in a car park. So we're on our way to Doubtful Sounds. Had to get me meth hit, me coffee, to go on the cruise for 2 days. We're going to say goodbye to our little home for 2 days. Wow. What do you reckon, Davey? Yeah, chatty Cathy. I know, we'll have a bed and a big roof, so I'm going to miss it. But coffee, a little bit more of an hour drive before we get to Doubtful Sounds to drop the van off, and I'll catch you there. Well, good morning again. We've just arrived. We're just going to have some breakfast. We've just parked right on this view. Manapui. Awanapui, Manapui. So we're here for brekkie, and then we're going to pull into the caravan park, and we're going to park our van there for a couple of days. They're going to charge us a little bit, but not too much. And then we're going to go onto the cruise around midday. So how good, I'm sick of saying how good this is. Brekkie. So I'm rugged up as I'm going to the North Pole. So we've got our little camper van here, parked here for the next 2 nights. The Holiday Caravan Park is looks a bit empty. It's only $3 per night for our van to be here. But then when we come back from Doubtful Sounds, we're here for another 2 nights. So I'll spin you around. And how cute is this little caravan park? Just little holiday homes. We're probably going to park our van down there when we get back. Cute. So we have a couple of kilometre walk to get to the boat, to be there in 30 minutes before. So I think it's about 3 or 4 k's to hike. So we've had a bit of a rest stay, a few days, well 1 day actually. So a nice little brisk walk with our backpacks is not that bad at all. See you at the boat. Just met. New Zealand has some great bus stop seats. That's a Bath. Couple more kilometres to go. So I've got to learn to listen to my husband more. Because apparently we're catching the boat from Manapuri, catching a boat who would then drop us off.
Catch a bus, and then get on the actual boat that's actually in Doubtful Sound.
Right, so it's boat, bus and boat directly from Manapuri. So let's see how that goes. I've got to learn how to listen. And here we are. It's only just under a 2k walk. So visitor centre. So you can park over there, but it's only day parking. Or further up at the very, very top over here, it's free parking overnight for as many days as you like, but just security reasons, we just want to put it in the caravan. So we're on the boat. Everybody's piling on, and we thought we overpacked. Some of the stuff these people are coming on with is phenomenal. Now, I bought a new hat. I couldn't resist it. Dave's using my black one all the time. Not that one, another one.
Am I?
Not that one today. So I bought a new alpaca one. Nice soft. The pink goes well with the hair. So anyway, we're on the cruise. I'll buzz you around. That's the kind of boat that we're on.
What's the smaller one?
Yeah, is that the bigger one?
That's the bigger one.
Very nice.
Lost one vehicle. Oh, there it comes. Yeah, so some people did get lost back then. So now it only takes about 45-50 minutes on the bus, now that we've got a road here. And you're on the boat in the fjords.
Just over. Stop it. So there's 33 of us to go onto this cruise for Doubtful Sounds. So it was an hour and a half on the boat, and then we waited to be transferred on the coach, and it's another hour on the coach, about 2.5 hours to get here. So personally, I would be doing a 2-day cruise rather than a 1-day cruise, because
When all 7 turbines are running at full capacity, something like 2.5 million litres of fresh water every 5 seconds is flowing in.
Oh, how good is this? All right, first on the boat. Gotta love it. Where are you going to sit, Dave? Yeah? Everyone comes on board. Always nice to be first on. So we're going to spend our next 2 days. So lovely Scottish child who have come down the stars. There's a communal toilet, showers, share. And we're right near the toilet. I'm right near the shower, 15 with Dowden, and the toilet is there. So we're sharing with 2 other people. So let's have a ride. Oh, there we are. Single beds, no sex. Oh, with a little heater. You can just swing a cat in here. A little porthole. There we go. Our little rooms for 2 nights. I think our camper van's picking that.
This afternoon. Now, if you hadn't heard earlier, we've got some nibbles down for you as well, what we call a fjord board, which is essentially just a charcuterie board. So you're more than welcome to come and help yourselves to that. Take it back out onto the deck if you like. It's here at your leisure.
So we just got downstairs. We've got a nice little Mount Difficult savvy blog, and I just said to the lady, young girl, do you have a lap rug? And she goes, what?
A lap rat?
A lab rat. I said, no. I thought I was talking Australian, I thought I was talking normal, but apparently I said lab rat. I said, no, a rug. Oh no, yes, she's supposed to be bringing us one up, but we'll see how that goes. So anyway, cheers, we wish you good night and wish you weren't here. Good night. Got our rug, got our lap rug. What a life.
Here right now, and so that's making conditions a little nicer, even with that light breeze that we have on the nose. Now this autumn light is extremely bright, I would say, but definitely nice to feel some of those rays. Now that gap out there looks like it's a really long way away. That's because it is. Yeah. From where we picked you up at Deep Cove, out to the open Tasman, these Doubtful and Milford. Doubtful, if you want a real getaway, away from civilization, away from the world, this is a place to come with something different around every corner, and it's seldom that you'll see another boat here. And the fuel is just us. Just big.
cereal.
And my glasses are empty.
I have to wait for dinner.